Hi guys, Jade here. Today I'm going to be talking about my virtual elementary school field experience. I was given this awesome opportunity of reading to an elementary student through my W200 class here at Indiana University. I was able to pick a time that worked best for me around my own schedule, and I also got some materials to prepare beforehand, and then I got to participate in the field experience. My field experience actually didn't go as planned, which I mean with online learning, nothing really ever does anymore, but it was still a fun experience for me, and I hope it was for my student as well. I got plenty of time to prepare in advance. So beforehand, I got my placement. So I got the student's name that I would be reading to, and I also got their reading level so I could pick a book that was perfect for them. And then I was provided with a document that had specific directions to complete before you participated in the field experience. So I had to download Microsoft Teams, which was just the app that the school used that we were reading to. So I downloaded that and I watched a couple of tutorials on how to open up the app and how to properly use it. I also was provided with some video tutorials that gave me some very helpful tips and tricks for reading to students and how to get them engaged in the activity and maybe to even get them to participate in reading the book to me. And then I got to pick out a book through a website that was provided to us. The website is called Epic. It's a really cool website that has so many online books that cover a ton of different topics. It can also be used for all different grade levels because you can just pick whatever reading level that you want and it can show like books for you that correlate with that reading level. So I picked a book that looked interesting to me and one that matched my students' reading level, and I was fully prepared for my field experience. So to talk more about the experience itself, I got on my Microsoft Teams app and joined the call. Well, Microsoft Teams ended up being just a little bit difficult, for me at least. It took a while to get into the separate breakout rooms, and then I had even more difficulty with my student getting into the same breakout room that I was in. Then I had to figure out how to share my screen, and then had more difficulty with my student leaving my breakout room and then rejoining. But by the time I've got it all set up, I got to know my student a little bit, and then we got through maybe the title and the first page of the book, and then I was told that it was recess time. So the call ended, and I didn't get to really do much reading. I mean, it is virtual learning. By now, I'm very well prepared for internet connection problems, website issues, and difficulty using Zoom, and here it was Microsoft Teams. So I wasn't really too surprised. I did get the chance to talk to my student a bit and somewhat read the book, and I am very appreciative of that. This field experience definitely taught me to just go with the flow. And with virtual learning, you always have to be prepared for all the virtual difficulties that are going to come with it. Lastly, I just want to say thank you to my W200 course for this opportunity. It was quite interesting and taught me some valuable educational lessons.